DOJ Advisory Opinion on Checkpoints. A checkpoint is a place where the military or police check vehicular or pedestrian traffic in order to enforce circulation control measures and other laws, orders, and regulations, which involves only a brief detention of travelers during which the vehicle's occupants are required to answer a brief question or two. The general public is hereby advised on the rules on military or police checkpoints as follows. Number 1, a checkpoint must be well lighted, properly identified, and manned by uniformed personnel. Checkpoint guidelines provide that all personnel manning legitimate checkpoints should be in service uniform with the nameplates and other identification tags clearly visible and readable. Number 2, upon approach, slow down, dim your headlights, and turn on cabin lights, but never step out of the vehicle. In a checkpoint inquiry, the occupants cannot be compelled to step out of the vehicle. This has been decided by the Supreme Court in Abenes versus CA. Number 3, lock all doors. Only a visual search is allowed. In the case of Caballas versus CA, the Supreme Court said that the search which is normally permissible is limited to a visual search where the officer simply looks into the vehicle and flashes a light therein without opening the car's door. Number 4, do not submit to a physical or body search. The search which is normally permissible is limited to an instance where the occupants are not subjected to a physical or body search. Number 5, you are not obliged to open the glove compartment, the trunk, or bags. The personnel manning the checkpoint cannot compel the motorist to open the trunk or glove compartment of the car or any package contained therein. Such extensive search requires the existence of probable cause, as ruled in the case of People versus Lacerna. Number 6, ordinary or routine questions may be asked. Yes. Be courteous but firm with your answers. Checkpoint involves only a brief detention of travelers during which the vehicle's occupants are required to answer a brief question or two. Number 7, assert your rights, have presence of mind, and don't panic. The constitutional immunity against unreasonable searches and seizures is a personal right which may be waived. Affirmative acts of volition without being forced or intimidated to do so shall properly be construed as a clear waiver of right. Number 8, keep your driver's license and car registration handy and within reach. To avoid delay and inconvenience, ready the car registration documents for inspection in case required by authorities. Number 9, be ready to use your cell phone at any time. Speed dial the emergency number. And number 10, report violations immediately.